Tudor has launched a new 39mm Pelagos. And I've got a new grey jumper, so game on. A smaller, more refined Pelagos has been a rumoured watch or a desired watch within the Tudor fan base. It's been something that a lot of people asked for, and it's something that even Houdinki has kind of hinted at or suggested at. It might have been James Stacey who desired a 39mm GMT Pelagos. This is a black dial, black bezel, no date 39mm Pelagos. I haven't got hands on with this watch yet, so I'm not going to go into a mass of detail around this watch. I'm going to share the specifications with you guys, but the main thing is I want you to listen to the specifications, but I want you to let me know what you want to know about this watch. Which specification stands out, which measurement stands out for you that you're interested in hearing about. Now, I have a Black Bay 58, so when I get hands on with this watch, I will be comparing it to my 39mm Black Bay 58, and I have my calipers ready. So just like the normal Pelagos, this is made of grade 2 titanium, but the normal Pelagos is 42mm wide. It's a wide, chunky watch. You feel it on the wrist despite the fact it's made out of titanium. It is a hefty watch. This is 39mm wide, 11.8mm thick. It has a lug to lug of 47mm and it has 20mm wide lug width. The dial is different from the original Pelagos. This is a flat black dial and it has a burst finish to it, which is one thing I'm going to be very interested to see. Typically, I'm not a fan of burst dials. I'm boring when it comes to watches. I like things to be flat and plain, so it'll be interesting to see how much of a burst this dial actually has, or whether it's actually just something that appears quite flat. One thing that I do love, and that I've seen in the Black Bay Pro, is the markers. The markers are just big chunks of loom. No surrounds to the markers, it is just pure luminescent material. This is the X1 loom that Tudor uses. The movement side has a typical Tudor specifications, it being COSC certified and has 70 hours of power reserve. That's pretty standard with Tudor stuff now. Not to downplay it, but it's just kind of standard offering from Tudor. Price of this is £3,500 and the watch is available now. Technically, it's available now. It's already waitlisted, which is a real shame. As I say, I haven't got hands-on with this watch yet, but on Saturday I'll be launching a video with my hands-on review. Drop a comment down below and let me know what questions you want answering about the new Tudor Pelagos 39mm. I'll see you on Saturday.